secret of life, of course, have to be close to God, trust and faith to Him, and you have to stay healthy and strong.
Si Mommy, no? Mabait si Mommy, pero a lot also misunderstood her, di ba? Pare-pareho sila, di ba? Anak ng siopaw, anak, gano'n talaga. Love language niya. Lagi kong sinasabi sa friends ko, kaya gano'n yung personality namin. Kahit kay Salo, sabi niya, napaka-dominante mo or something. Because we were raised by a very strong woman. Hindi po kami pwedeng maging mahina during those times. 4 lang po kami na puro babae. So we have to be strong. And kanino po namin yung nakuha? Sa nanay po namin. I-bless ko tong 3 to. Kasi kahit kinuha ko yung dati nila ng maaga, bibigyan ko sila ng nanay na nandiyan sa sorry, hindi ko nabigilan, Mami. So yun lang kasi sabi ko nga, ang aga nung wala ni Daddy and yung buhay namin, sobrang hindi sa amin pinaranas ni Mami, di ba? So, nandiyan si Mami and yung mga matatagal niya pong friends, alam ko nakita niyo po yun, sila Tita Zenny, sila Tita Edith, di ba? And sabi ko nga hindi perfect, sobrang nakita namin yung paghihirap ni Mami, kaya itong simpleng party na para sa kanya, sobrang katiting pa to sa sacrifice na binigay niya sa amin. And hindi lang sa amin, kahit mag-isa lang siya, hindi po niya nakakalimutan tumulong. Diba? Pag si Mami, sobrang strong ng personality niya, pero sobrang lambot po ng puso ni Mami.
Hey, Auntie Carmen, happy 70th birthday. I just wish you all the best, especially good health for you. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng kabutihan niyo ever since na mga bata pa kami until now. Hopefully gawin natin to na as much as we can. Okay? Again, enjoy your day and I love you, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Grateful, thankful because of my family, my children, and my grandchildren. Grateful to God for I reached this age, 70 years old.
Kasi siya yung mami ko. Among the 3, ako yung panganay. I was expected to be the strongest. But then, ako pala yung weakest link. Pero dahil siya yung mami ko, andito ako. Andito ako celebrating sa inyo and trying to make up for those moments na hindi ko nakasama yung mami ko. Na sana maraming kwentuhan. Sobrang na-miss ko yun. Sobrang na-miss ko yung mga kapatid ko, yung kaming 4. We are so blessed na nandito pa si Mami, nakasama pa namin, and marami pang taon na pwede namin siyang makasama.
I was able to raise my 3 daughters with the help of God. Though I'm alone because I was widowed at the age of 38. That's my greatest achievement in my life.
Talaga namang down to earth ang aming pagsasamahan. Talagang super blessed kami ni Lord na kami parating magkasama sa travel and chikahan. But you know, friend, you are so dear to my heart. And through thick and thin.
Sana I can be a strong woman. Ikaw yung model ko growing up. Kung gaano ka kabait sa parents mo, you will be blessed and your life will be bountiful. So lagi kong inisip yung growing up, sana magkaroon ako ng magandang work so I can provide for Mommy. Thank you, Mommy. I love you. Happy ako na nakakasama mo yung mga apo mo. Kids na talagang si Mommy sa hapon magme-message siya, oh, perfect si Nathan, mga ganyan. So I'm happy na talagang nabibigyan mo sila ng time. So sana makasama mo pa sila ng matagal and you are healthy. Yun lang. Thank you, Mami. I love you.
New day is dawning. Oh, a new day is just begun. I got hope here in my heart. And we're only at the start.